LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts. Notice, the repair process is different for every laptop model. At LaptopInventory.com, we have created a database with thousands of free laptop repair videos. Simply go to LaptopInventory.com, select your laptop brand, series and model, and find the exact repair video for your laptop. Remove the laptop battery. Remove the optical drive. We will now install your new optical drive. That's all. You just installed your new optical drive. LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts.